pasamos en lo mejor. Estamos en Wynwood.
What they wanna say now? Hate if you wanna hate, but y'all can't kill my vibe. And I be feeling so good, just happy to be alive. I said, hate if you wanna hate, but y'all can't kill my vibe. And I be feeling so good, just happy to be alive. Cause we stay comfortable in my own skin. I like who I am. The good vibes keep on bumping. Turn it up, that's my jam. I feel good. Feel good, so good. Comfortable in my own skin. I like who I am. The good vibes keep on bumping. Turn it up, that's my jam. I feel good. How you feeling? I feel good, so good.
I'm OG, overly grateful for the chance to kill the beat, bro. Cain and Abel, ain't trying to lay low, peep the shine. Comfortable in my own skin, peace of mind. What's mine is mine, what's yours is yours. These bars hit every measure, homie, get them in force. Like the 18 Beatles in every season. Can't forget me, plus the Trinity I believe in, I'm breathing. Easy get Sunday morning, my reason. Everything that the Lord did, he got it right the first time. Yeah, you see, with both your eyes, this right here is me. Unapologetically, jet black and free. I ain't trying to be what they want me to be. Scared of the wind, following all the trends. Over backwards, that ain't the way I've been gone.
Comfortable in my own skin. I like who I am. The good vibes keep on bumping. Turn it up, that's my jam. I feel good. How you feeling? I feel good. So good. Comfortable in my own skin. I like who I am. The good vibes keep on bumping. Turn it up, that's my jam. I feel good. How you feeling? I feel good. So good.
Si quieres visitar Wynwood y disfrutar, tendrás que dedicarte tu tiempo. Por lo menos una mañana larga. Y cada calle tiene un secreto. Y aquí en Wynwood es impresionante. Puedes pasarte un día entero en Wynwood.